One of my first Fidgets broke. I loved him to the point where I lost his eyes. I'm so sad. Let's cut him open and see what he looks like inside. Ooh, look at that. He is very liquidy. He is like a very weird shaving cream texture. But honestly, it feels very like just plain gross. So I would not recommend even enjoying opening him up. He is strictly a fun toy to play with. But I do think it would be fun to make a new squish ball out of it. Well, I have to order a new one because he is a very well-loved fidget. See you guys next time.